This is Chiquado Space Channel. Yo. If you're looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chiquado Space. The best food is greater than visiting hospital. Yeah. Chiquado Space. The best food is greater than visiting hospital.
Amazing black beauty lady, so loyal and down to earth, the smiles at it all. She's inviting you to come and learn how to prepare a healthy meals. The best food is greater than visiting hospital. Chiquado Space. It's a good and traditions. We cook food, lifestyle, product reviews and blends and more. Please visit us today to see by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks. Chiquado Space. If you're looking for a place, learn how to cook. Chiquado Space. Such amazing black beauty lady, so loyal and down to earth, the smiles at it all. She's inviting you to come and learn how to prepare a healthy meals. The best food is greater than visiting hospital. Chiquado Space. It's a good and traditions. We cook food, lifestyle, product reviews and blends and more. Please visit us today to see by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks. Chiquado Space. Chiquado Space. If you're looking for a place, learn how to cook. Chiquado Space. Such amazing black beauty lady, so loyal and down to earth, the smiles at it all. She's inviting you to come and learn how to prepare a healthy meals. The best food is greater than visiting hospital. Chiquado Space. It's a good and traditions. We cook food, lifestyle, product reviews and blends and more. Please visit us today to see by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks. Chiquado Space. Chiquado Space. Chiquado Space. Chiquado Space. Chiquado Space.
Chiquado Space Channel. Yeah. If you're looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chiquado Space. The best food is greater than visiting hospital. Yeah. Chiquado Space. The best food is greater than visiting hospital. Yeah. Chiquado Space. For intercontinental dishes, we cook food, lifestyle products.
Thank you.
For lifestyle and products reviews,
Oh my God.
Space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, Chiquado Space. Chiquado Space, oh, Chiquado. Check, educating check, entertainment check, for food, we did, for vlog, we did, lifestyles and product review. All Chiquado Space. This is Chiquado Space Channel. Oh, this is Chiquado Space Channel. Oh, if you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chiquado Space. Chiquado Space. Intercontinental dishes, Chiquado Space. For lifestyle and products reviews, Chiquado Space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, Chiquado Space. Chiquado Space, oh, Chiquado Space. We do food, vlog, product review, and lifestyle, and more. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like and comment.
I love this. Look at the chicken. The chicken was well done. You can see it. Well done and tastes like so tasty. So enjoy it with salad or whatever, anything you want. But on my own, I'm enjoying it just like that. Thank you for watching. Bye.